Let's see. Neutral. Nope. It's not turning over. I wonder if it's... Huh. Damn. Alright, folks. So, this bike is not starting. So, as you know, we have had some snowstorms over here in North Carolina on the eastern side, Durham. And we've also had some issues with cold. So, in addition, it seems to be something's wrong. Now, I've checked the battery. I'm not going to check the fuses, but I want to show you that I'm not going crazy here, because something's up. All right, I'm going to set the multimeter. Here we go, right here, and check the voltage here. So last time I checked it, and so if I leave that there, and I put this right here, it says 12.8. That's very good. So the battery's fine. And I'm pissed. So next I'm going to check these. And alternator, main, EFI, indicator, horn, lighting, accessory, ABS. So it shouldn't be any of the bottom. I'm going to check alternator, main, EFI, and that really should be it to tell us if the fuses are bad. Alright, so the fuses are all fine. So, if the fuses are good, and the battery's charged, and even this power distributor is turning green. I'm at a loss. I'm not gonna lie. I think I need to check the spark plugs. Now, the spark plugs, I need to get a tool for this to get them out, because I don't have the tool on me. And maybe that is the issue. Another thing I've been thinking about is the fuel. So, the fuel is a little bit low. I topped it all. Well, I put a gallon in there, and it still didn't start. So, I'm thinking that's the issue. Let's see. Alright, so I took out the spark plug, and this is how the right one looks. This is concerning. And I'm going to do a test to see if it's giving a little spark here. I have another pair of spark plugs in the way, so we're going to give that a try. Alright, we're going to ground the spark plug and see if it's going to give me a spark. Let's see if we can find it. Boom. Ground the spark plug. Let's see. see, 1, a 2, and a 3. Looks like the spark plug is donezo. Damn. Alright, so we're gonna ground the left one. And we're gonna see what this does. And if I can do it without electrocuting myself, that would be great. Alright, here we go. Yep. There's a spark right there. So, I think it's a spark plug. Alright, so changing these spark plugs here. Gonna put the Iridium 9s NGK, and this should do the trick. So something to remember is to take the cap off. For these, you gotta take this thing off. This is the NGK cover. So you need the cap off in order for it to work out well. And folks, that's really it. All you gotta do is make sure you torque it to 10 to 15 Newton meters. Throw this cover back in there. It's tight. And we're gonna start it up. And I hope to God it works. All right, Lord help us all. All right, everything's on. Oh, fuck. Shit. Alright, so in one of the quickest YouTube videos ever, I have not found out what the issue is. So, if any of you do know, please let me know, because I checked the fuse, checked the oil is fine, hasn't been used. By the way, it was only standing for a week. So it's weird if it just takes a week for it to be affected by this. Checked the fuses. Battery is fine, 12.8, that should be fine. I don't know. Kickstand, down, up, neutral, all of it, not really sure. So if you have any tips, let me know. Hit me up in the comments, actually, right away.